Hey there, I'm Steph Morrison, and I want to share a little bit about my work and play philosophy. This work and play term has really had a very constant thread throughout my life for the last 12 or so years. It started with the naming of a business that my husband and I ran together, and it's really changed into a lot of different things. With this work and play term, I have put that into another business, my business called Creating Work and Play, where I coach and train entrepreneurs to start up and grow their home business. And I label myself a work and play coach because what I really want to do is help people beautifully mesh that work and play in their life. So a lot through a home business, that's my main focus in my business, but really in even everything I do, I just want to encourage people to have a vision for their life, something that they love to do, something that inspires them and just motivates them to move forward. No, not the easy stuff, not just whatever comes easy, because we need to do the hard things in life. That's what makes us grow and develop and mature and just gain a lot more wisdom in life. We need to do hard things, but there are things that are right just for you, that nobody else can even really tell you what's right. You just have to discover it yourself. This work and play philosophy is definitely meshing together your home and business life. And I also have this sharing of work and play, that you should just work hard at your play, at the stuff that you do desire, the fun stuff you want to do, the leisurely stuff, whether it's some form of sports or athletics or physical work or learning new things. Well, my husband and I are doing a very fun endeavor that we have to talk a lot about the fun stuff because we are learning how to fly, so we want to get our pilot's license, and that has a lot of fun and exciting stuff for us, but at that same time there's a lot of work that goes with it, and you just got to enjoy the journey along the way. You got to embrace what you're getting from it, and you got to keep your eyes focused at the end result. Otherwise we just drop that. And if you've had something in your life that you've dropped because it was just difficult, because it didn't move forward with, well, then you just keep searching, keep being persistent, and just keep overcoming whatever comes in your way, because those things that are really passionate on your heart are the things that you're totally supposed to do.